Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use only AI to build a Wix website. Alright, so let's begin. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by web design or wondered how far AI can take you, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free in just a minute. Once you're inside, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is basically your control center for creating and managing websites. From the dashboard, look at the top left corner and click the drop-down menu, then select Create New Site. This starts the process from scratch so you can build a brand new website using AI. Next, choose the option to start chat with AI. This opens Wix's AI site assistant, which is where everything comes together. Think of this like having a smart assistant that builds your website based on what you tell it. When the chat opens, start by typing, "I want to make a personal profile website." This tells the AI what kind of site you want. It will begin structuring your website around your identity, skills, and content. Then enter your name or handle. This helps personalize the site so visitors immediately recognize your brand or identity. After that, just answer the questions asked by AI. This step is important because it shapes the design and layout. Wix AI will automatically suggest styles, colors, and sections that match a gaming theme, making your site feel more engaging and relevant. Next, type "providing video walkthroughs." This lets the AI know you want to showcase video content. Based on this, it will include sections where you can easily upload and display your videos, making them a central feature of your site. Once you've provided all this information, Wix AI will generate your website. You'll be taken to a preview or dashboard where you can review the layout. The AI handles most of the heavy lifting, creating pages, organizing sections, and styling everything for you. From here, you can make any final tweaks if you want, but honestly, the site is already ready to go. No coding, no complex setup, just a fully functional website built with AI, and that's it. This is how you can use only AI to build a Wix website. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.